I think we can all agree that we're in interesting times in the world at the moment, right? And there are a lot of people who are trying to be part of the solution, whether they are just trying to be responsible in their own lives, be a good person, whether they are a leader, a parent, a spiritual teacher, whatever they are, they're trying to help be part of the solution. Is there something you'd like to say to those people, some of whom are listening to this podcast right now as we're speaking? Is there something you'd like to say to those people that you think might be helpful for them to help them just engage a little bit more with some of what we've been talking about today?
I mean, yeah, it's main thing is keep it up, right? Like, because if you found your, follow your bliss, like if you found your calling and what you're going to do, just keep following it. It doesn't necessarily mean it's going to be a huge monetary success or anything like, but your needs will always be provided. That's for sure. And it could become, something amazing. So you just never know. That's if I always like to say, more hope in the world and less expectations. So they're very different things, hope and expectations. If we have less expectations and just keep anchored to hope, that's when magic happens. Because expecting something to happen and it doesn't happen that way, that creates those energies that need to be alchemized. But if you're not expecting anything and you're just like, oh, that didn't work out, because you're anchored in hope. So, okay, that didn't work out. We're moving on, because the hope is the anchor, and these other things that, you throw out a lot of lines, whatever you got to do when you're fishing, and the more lines in the water, the more fish you're going to catch, but you're not going to catch every line is not going to hit. So and you can't expect, and because that's what really expect things to happen, expect them on your timetable. I like to say, don't, when you're creating something, don't chase the waiter, right? We don't go up to, we don't place an order at a restaurant and, immediately, the waiter walks away and we follow him and tap him on the back and be like, did you get the order right? Like, when are we getting, is this soon? Like, how long? Like, I've got, I don't know how you earn the title of waiter. I'm the one doing all the waiting, like that's not how we do things. So when we place an order, whatever that may be, career, monetarily, friends, relationships, whatever that order is, don't chase the waiter, man. Like, just let things come to fruition the way they anchored to hope, no expectations. You can't be disappointed if you have no expectations and you're anchored to hope. And that's what keeps it going. So
Fantastic.
that's my advice.
Fantastic. Love it. Don't chase the waiter.
Don't chase the waiter.
So we've talked about a lot today, Justin. It's been fantastic. Has there been